Would you like to make $600 in a single day? It is almost like a fantasy number for many individuals, and there is nothing wrong with that because you could accomplish so many things with that money. I'm talking about treating yourself to something new that you've always wanted or just providing for your family's needs. With $600 a day, you could tour the globe, relax on the beach, purchase a new house, or replace your day job with a full-time online passive income. No more dabs, difficulties, or guessing. Many people make things much too complex, so let us make it simple today. Making $600 in a single day is totally achievable with this fresh, new, little strange technique. But you know what? This method absolutely works, and the best part is that it is completely free and available anywhere in the world. And I have a little surprise and secret bonus for you at the end of this video that I would like to give to you for free. So make sure you watch all the way to the end and don't miss out on that. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you will be notified anytime I submit a new video. First and foremost, I want you to go to this website, sellix.com, and this is going to be a pretty simple approach for making $600 in a day, so make sure you stay watching. Now go down to the very bottom of this page and search for this link right here, which is beneath the About Us area and where you can find the affiliate program, and click on that link. And once you click on that link, you will be taken to this page, Amazon Affiliate Program by Sellix, where you can basically refer this software to other people and earn 100% of the commission. As you can see here, for the first month, and then an additional 50% commission. And this is absolutely mind-blowing and is actually very easy and so much simpler than what you think. Again, don't skip any portion of this video. Stay watching to learn everything. Now take a look at this 100% one-time commission that I'm going to show you right now. And these are all of the programs and services that this company Sellix offers. You can now refer this plan to others and I will show you how to do it. No, you won't be selling anything, you won't need any experience, you won't have to talk to anyone, you won't have to create any videos or websites, and I promise you, this is actually very simple and I will show you a bonus at the end of this video. First and foremost, let me teach you how to sign up for a free account so you can start generating money on this website. Right now, I want you to click on this button that says Become an Affiliate, and that will lead you to this page which reads, Welcome to the Sellix Affiliate Program. Simply fill up your personal information, your first name, last name, and email, and then under the legal entity type, click on your individual and then enter your personal name. Now under the website or social media part, enter your Facebook profile URL link. Keep watching because I am going to teach you how to utilize Facebook to make a lot of money and a lot of commission on this website. Now scroll down below and fill in some basic information for your postal address. As you can see, they are taking individuals from all over the world, so no matter where you are located, you can still make money online with this chance. In fact, I would like you to remark down here in the comment section part and tell me what nation you're from and where you are from. So once you've signed up for a free account, you should be able to acquire your unique affiliate links. I want you to go to this website, bit.ly.com, but just scroll down to where you can see this shorten your link and put your affiliate links right here in this column. And I want you to go ahead and click this button to shorten your link. Now this is what Bit.ly can help us with by shortening a long URL link right here to a much shorter link, as you can see here. This is much more professional and much cleaner, and it will get more people to click on them, which means you will make more money online. After that, I want you to click on copy so that they may copy this short URL link. Now the next thing I want you to do is to go to Facebook. I believe that many of you already have a Facebook account, but if you don't, you can just go to facebook.com and join for free. The next step is to enter your Facebook account and go to the search bar at the top. I want you to punch in a keyword, which is Amazon seller, and then hit the search button. You will be taken to this page where you will see various search results linked to Amazon sellers. And I want you to go ahead and click on this option right here, which is group, so that you can really filter all of the results of the Amazon seller groups, as you can see here, all of which you can join for free. All you have to do now is go ahead and click on this join button right here. For example, this group has over 34,000 members, and they may ask you a few questions to show that you are not a robot and that you are a genuine human. So just answer a simple question and click on the submit button. Now take close attention, because I'm going to propose that you send out 10 requests every day to join a fresh new Facebook group. And then I'm going to show you a copy and paste script that you can use right now to start making money. As always, I will do my best to provide you with a wealth of free tools so that you can start generating money right away. And if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Basically, you can find a lot of people selling products on Amazon in all of these groups, and this is your best opportunity to actually recommend them to the software company Sellics. And if they buy on any of these services right here, you can earn 150% of the commission, which is a lot of money from one single click. So don't worry, I will teach you precisely how to do it right now. Look at this. You are going to copy and paste this complete script, and then you are going to start asking something like, do you want to generate more sales on Amazon without spending any money on ads? As you can see, you are going to share some great ideas with them, and the approach here is to simply give useful suggestions and high value to others, because when you provide this beneficial knowledge for free on those Facebook groups, people are more likely to trust you. And then you will add something along these lines in the last sentence. If you want to boost your Amazon sales by another 50 to 100% in the next 30 days, check this out. Then you will put your Sellics affiliate links here, so that when people read your suggestions in the Facebook group, they will finally click on this link. Then they'll come over to this website to join up for a free trial of Sellics, which will help you make a lot of money since they won't have to pay anything up front. They can simply sign up for a free trial and try Sellics for 14 days for free. And eventually, roughly 20 to 30% of them will buy into any of these plans, as you can see here, and you may make up to $600 or even thousands of dollars depending on the packages that they purchase. So for example, you go ahead and join this group, and as you can see when you scroll down below, people are actually writing a post inside the Facebook group, and this is exactly where you can copy and paste this entire script and template along with your bit.ly link on the last sentence. As you can see, I simply highlighted the entire script and copied it. I then went back to the Facebook group and pasted the entire script and wrote a post inside this group. I will also leave my bit.ly link right here so that whenever people click on this link, they can sign up for a free trial on Sellics, and if they eventually buy on any of these plans, I will earn money. Once again, if you want to acquire this script for free, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know that you truly want this script, which I share with all of my subscribers for free. You can just copy and paste your affiliate links and post this one in the Facebook group. You may do this numerous times a day, and you can earn up to $600 or more every single day. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.